Yes, my wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, me people. Me come across a story. You know see how much day me come talk about foreign and where people go through a foreign? You see that same foreign where people go through hell? Eh? A man in a Jamaica will take your life just because him say you go guard a foreign there. Because like me tell you now, many people think if you go up on the plane and go foreign, is that you start pick up money for you reach at the airport. Like it's a bed of roses, like your life I got change. You got just turn this, automatically turn this rich man or this rich woman. Everything I got good for you right now. But you know see the story them me do? How much things some man have go through, especially when they married to a woman and say them a go foreign. The story when me go give you me people is about a man when plan now to get married to a woman a come down to come married to him. They meet online, them link up, now them plan to get married. And you see before him could even get married, it is said in the street that him own friend them take him life. Not more than them did their thing, say if him get the bus figure foreign and come out of the sufferation, him probably go get rich and hype on them and make them look like them a cruff and nothing go on for them. Today, this man is no longer among the land of the living. People, make we jump into the story. Kelly, Angela best friend, right, and maid of honor at the couple's Friday wedding in Morant Bay, St. Thomas. Right, so they were supposed to get married this man here, and him woman supposed to come down and get married to him. Right, was scheduled to be picked up by her Canadian fiancé Robert Wilson. Wilson lose him 3 points. And his Jamaican fiancé on Monday. In addition to anticipating exchanging vows with Wilson, the love of her life, Angela thought turned Sunday, the day after their wedding, when they would go on a blissful honeymoon vacation that also happened to fall on her 46th birthday. Right? Sadly, Wilson's funeral is being planned by Angela. The woman who come married the man. And I go celebrate even my 46th birthday upon the honeymoon. Right now, if you plan that same man funeral. Who is overcome with sadness as a result of Wilson March 20th shooting, knocking and clapping, which left him no longer among the land of the living. Because this man here I got married now and got foreign. Anyway, being in Jamaica is difficult. That's what the woman says. Who did come down now, come get married to this man here. Being in Jamaica is difficult. But I also feel so much closer to him here. It just doesn't make sense to me that he would be buried wearing his wedding attire. How tragic is that? The clothes them where you buy if you go get married in and now. You're ending up if you go be buried in those. Sad reality, me people. Sobbed Angela Williams was knocked by unknown unidentified gunmen along Kingstown Retirement Road, according to police accounts. After being taken to the hospital, he was declared, you know what, no longer among the land of the living. Wilson is a security officer that Angela claims she connected with on TikTok in 2022. Remember me already tell you already about the online dating, you know. Alright. Eventually their friendship developed into a romantic relationship. I didn't see the direct messages, the DMs. He sent me on Instagram for almost a month. So a long time the boy had showed him line. And no be it now pick. You know? But he eventually pick you know and connect. And you know say man I link up now and tailpipe whistle up till mama say yes man a married time man. Me a married you and care you go when me there. But sadly, he never get that chance, me people. We just continue conversing when I answered, and that's how our love began. Angela remarked. he remained the same person that I had fallen in love with online, which is what I loved about him. About a month later, I finally met him in person, right? And he was exactly the same. Talking and treating me with respect. Wilson proposed to Angela on a beach in Ocho Rios during their trip to Jamaica. He was talking to security guards and I thought we were in trouble, but the whole time he was planning the proposal. Romantic setting. So my boy just set you up like a some problem him in a know. But I plan the proposal you know. Cause him not drop no catch. You understand? Angela remembered. He told me to close my eyes when he returned to me. And when I did, he got down on one knees and declared his love for me and his desire to spend the rest of his life with me. Wow. So romantic. I accepted his proposal of marriage when he made it. Right? I broke down in tears knowing he was the one for me. He was a very mature man and I was in love with him. He didn't seem to be the kind to want anything from me. He was a provider as well as a very hard worker. He was so mature, right, that I referred to him as an old soul. So no know some young boy then come like a big man. Angela remarked, we intended to launch a business and purchase a home. He was going to work and we would save money to simply start over in Canada. So a Canada the man make figure. But sadly, his dream, his life was cut short. Cause see it there, he meet this woman here online through TikTok and find her on Instagram and I send much message. Over a month he take the woman to see it. Until them start converse over the internet. See how long me tell you about online love and them thing you connect online and some people feel like see a lie when I tell. See a story right from the horse's mouth where somebody published somewhere on a platform where me and you know. But it's only because it's a sad story because somebody lose them 3 points in a hit. The man meet the woman online. The love blossom. Them get to meet up my boy whistle tailpipe and seal the deal. Make him proposal till mama say ma come down now can get married to him and look what happened me people. The life that they were planning to simply start over in Canada. Which is why I wanted to bring him there. So the woman definitely decides to a married thing and Canada next. Alright. But me hope boy I never say nothing more on that. Since both of us had grown children and I had a few grandchildren, we had no intention of having any more. We just intended to have fun and live as a blended family. Angela claimed that when her fiancé did not answer any of her messages the morning he was, you know what, KILLED, no longer among the land of the living, she suspected something was wrong. Because this definitely wasn't like Wilson. Because you now have a woman a foreigner you know soon come married you. And you come, just come the one day you come check you and you do what you feel, the whistle up tailpipe. Everything nice and sealed and you might call you and answer. Something no right did so. Something is wrong, me people. Right? So Angela suspect that something was definitely wrong. Him not answering his phone or any of the messages. Right? When she noticed call from one of his sister, her heart, whoa, her heart skipped a beat. But nothing could have prepared her for the bad news, me people. When she get the news, she just started crying and screamed that this could not be happening when she informed me he had been knockings and clappings upon him in pickup can. I had no idea he had passed away at the time. He had just left his job at the place in Kingston where he was stationed when he was dirt. According to the reports that she got. Wilson and Angela met on TikTok. a platform that provides some solace for Angela throughout her grief. She goes on to recount incidents from their love affair, occasionally sobbing. I am hurt, unhappy, furious, and devastated. I have a broken heart, shattered all over the floor, and I have no idea where to begin. There are moments when I still feel like I should be here with him, and other times my brain feel like mush. Angela continued. People, it is a journey. Because like me always tell you, sometimes when you meet a person online, because I give you a story about online love the other day, what happened online. But me also tell you that some relationship too can materialize and blossom from the internet. And this is one of them with Angela and Wilson. People, I'm only calling names in this video because the name is already public, already published in the public domain. So it's safe to call names. Other than that, when I get stories, I don't call names. I keep the persons who give me that story anonymous, because that's why they share stories with J Progress, because I keep their name anonymous. So when a person share a story with me, they want to remain anonymous. That's why they share it with me, right? But in this case where this story is published and they all over the media, everybody, some people probably have an idea. Angela and Wilson meet on TikTok, take it from there. She ending up go meet him in a person, spend time with him, feel how he feel, tailpipe whistle, she get her engine grease up, she feel good. You know, Wilson put on the work and seal the deal, me people. And he sealed the deal so good that Angela say, yes, I him this. She a go back down, go marry him. Everything planned, everything set. Because Wilson never waste the time. Wilson say, my baby this. And propose. You understand? And Angela accept it and say, yes, she a go back down now. Go marry him. Just before the man put on the ring. Everything prepared, everything set. Wedding clothes buy already, arrangements make. The only thing now just for Angela go down now. I wait Angela the day I wait for go down now. Go married. But me people, sadly, when you hear for yourself, she get a tragic news. Yes, man. And people, words in the street, say him own friend them get rid of him. Him very own friend them. Because of bad mind energy, because some man, from he find the woman energy a go on. When you hear me I say, it in the street say, from he find this Canadian woman here, a be a swell up face and energy a go on between him and some of them friend them. So, people have in the street I say, I'm friend them, get rid of him. By him own friend them because he meet a woman, where the woman say, come down, come marry him now, sort out paperwork, and get him over Canada and then start go build life. But sometimes you chat too much too. When you do them things, you don't tell nobody nothing, you don't make them know your business. So me feel like say, probably him share them information with him friend them. And feel say them go happy for him say, more get a bus now. And see there, he's no longer among the land of the living. But where we not kill some man for? Where we not dirt some man for? Foreign? Really foreign? When you see how much story me come here come do about foreign with some man if he got you, where them get treated like dog. Where some man if you go back at them yard and at them thing they will not grudge a man for. Go up on a plane and go another country and don't know where he go over they go face. You know what kind of treatment he go end up in with this woman here? No. But some man just feel like say, when you take the plane and go foreign, your life change for the better. You go get rich in a month time. Everything I go work out for you, you go good. Everything I go nice. You no don't know foreigner now. And that's why I do my story them. And see it there? This a youth can even get the chance to go experience foreign for himself. See it there? He's no longer among the land of the living. People, hear me do, man. See another case here? And this go for enough for the man them, and even woman too. You see when you meet somebody where, for example, say foreign come involved, because nobody know what to expect in foreign, but a man will still get rid of you before you reach a foreign. Because in a female mind, he must say foreign is a bed of rose. Everybody who go up on a plane and go foreign, alright. So when if him bad mind you and envy, him a get rid of you before you reach a foreign. And at this reach Wilson. Right? And people, sometimes you no shut on no mouth. You no don't tell nobody no business. You no keep no business to yourself. Some man fi know so you reach a foreign when you're there foreign and call and a check in upon them. At them time the some man fi know so you're there foreign. Believe when J Progress tell you that. One J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. You no have to ask nobody nothing. And nobody na fi tell you nothing. Because of one J Progress Entertainment. Believe.